what a blessing this weekend was. 30 years of energy healing behind me, working in the higher realms all day long, and now coming and learning about the vagus nerve and really learning to be safe in my body. This was spectacular. I recommend this to anybody and everybody. Learn everything you can about this vagus nerve, and I say do it with Jaya because she is an absolute delight. Her heart is so open. If you're looking for heart healing, she's your gal. She's in her heart, she's in her truth. She embodies love and the goddess, and she creates a container of such safety. If it's calling you, go.
I came this weekend with not understanding much about the somatic piece within me. And so I started as an observer, curious to what perhaps this weekend would just bring to me. And now sitting here on Sunday, about to go back into real life, I am soothed. I have tools. I have witnessed a leader lead with compassion, with her mind, but her heart, and her red lioness beauty that simply through her embodiment, her teachings, her livings, her leaps of life and courage, like the lion, has inspired me, wanted me. I'm not afraid to go back out into this wild west of a world. I want to step those baby steps with what I've learned, who I've been inspired by, in a community that she has encouraged faith and hope in life. I'm very, very grateful, and yeah.
I'd like to share that the 4-day retreat with Jaya has been just a really beautiful experience for myself. There was no doubt that my nervous system needed a reset, and she provided just a beautiful healing space and opportunity for that to very naturally happen. Very supportive, very loving, and the retreat site has been healing as well in and of itself. And what has really touched me the most about the past few days is the reminder of how simple it is if we are willing to listen to our bodies, to find that healing resource within ourselves, and for there to be really significant changes and shifts to happen in a very natural and easy and powerful way. And Jaya and her team really supported that transition this weekend for me. So I highly recommend.
My weekend retreat with Jaya was really eye-opening. I had been searching for a long time to address some issues that I have, particularly with my breathing. And I was starting to feel that there was no answer. And over this weekend, I was really kind of shown the path, shown the way. I was able to experience it as well, so I know it's true, it's real, it's possible. And also is in a very, I think, open and nurturing contact with the other participants. And Jaya definitely created that environment. So I felt safe from the very beginning to kind of open up, not always obvious, especially for men. And as I said, it really is, to me, shone a light on the path, the work that I get to do, not that I have to do, that I get to do. And it would not have been possible without having spent the weekend here.